In today's digital age, finding the best camera for streaming has become an essential part of content creation, whether you're going live on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, or any other platform. As a streamer, having a reliable and high-quality camera is crucial for engaging your audience and delivering professional-looking content. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for streamers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Sony ZV-1 Mark II redefines the compact camera experience, blending high-quality imaging with versatility tailored for content creators. Equipped with a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS sensor, this camera captures vibrant details in both photos and 4K video. Its advanced real-time eye autofocus and fast subject tracking ensure sharp visuals, while the 24-70mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens offers a bright aperture range, providing beautiful background blur and smooth bokeh effects. The ZV-1 Mark II's flip-out touchscreen is ideal for vlogging and selfies, allowing easy framing from any angle. For streamers, the built-in USB streaming capability allows instant connection to a computer, turning the ZV-1 Mark II into a high-quality webcam. A multi-directional microphone with a detachable windscreen provides clear audio capture even in noisy environments, making it excellent for outdoor recording. Weighing just 10.5 ounces and featuring a compact design, this camera is ultra-portable, fitting easily into small bags or pockets. Enhanced battery life also ensures long recording sessions, making the ZV-1 Mark II a top choice for mobile content creators, vloggers, and streamers looking for professional-grade quality in a highly portable form. Whether for live streaming or capturing cinematic shots, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II is a reliable, creative companion. The Panasonic Lumix G100 is a powerful yet compact mirrorless camera, perfect for vloggers and streamers seeking quality without the bulk. At its core is a 20.3 megapixel live mode sensor that captures crisp, vibrant images and supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. The camera's standout feature, however, is its Ozo audio technology, which uses multiple microphones to automatically adjust audio capture, delivering a rich, clear sound even in busy environments. The G100's flip-out touchscreen and responsive face detection autofocus make framing and capturing shots a breeze, especially for solo creators. A convenient shooting grip is included, doubling as a mini tripod and providing smooth handling during filming sessions. Its compact design and lightweight build make it highly portable and ideal for on-the-go content creators. With built-in live streaming support and seamless smartphone connectivity, the G100 lets users quickly share content across platforms. Additionally, its Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities make file transfers and remote control effortless. The Lumix G100 combines professional-grade audio, high-resolution video, and a user-friendly setup to cater to content creators who prioritize quality and convenience. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III redefines point-and-shoot capabilities, blending power and portability to meet the needs of both content creators and casual photographers. At its core, a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor captures detailed images, while the fast f1.8 to 2.8 lens excels in low-light conditions, delivering crisp photos and soft background blur. Equipped with 4.2 times optical zoom, 24 to 100mm equivalent, it offers versatility for portraits, landscapes, and close-ups. For video, the G7X Mark III shines with 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second and full HD at up to 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion shots. A standout feature for creators is its ability to live stream directly to YouTube via Wi-Fi, with vertical video support optimized for mobile-friendly viewing. Enhanced audio capture and a microphone input make it easy to achieve high-quality sound, essential for vlogging and streaming. The 3-inch tilting touchscreen simplifies framing from various angles, and quick access to manual controls caters to those who want flexibility. Compact at just 10.7 ounces, it's ideal for on-the-go shooting without compromising on quality. With a combination of premium features and a portable body, the G7X Mark III is designed to elevate content creation and everyday photography alike. The FUJIFILM X-S20 blends performance, portability, and versatility, making it an exceptional choice for creators and streamers. Weighing just 1.08 pounds and featuring a deep, ergonomic grip, it's comfortable even with larger lenses. At its core, the X-S20 captures stunning 26.1 megapixel images, thanks to Fujifilm's renowned color science. With a high-speed 20 frames per second electronic shutter and a 180 degrees vari-angle LCD touchscreen, this camera makes creative shooting easy and intuitive. The X-S20 combines the X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor with the X-Processor 5 imaging engine, delivering exceptional image and video quality. A new autofocus system with advanced subject detection keeps fast-moving subjects sharply in focus. The camera's 5-axis in-body stabilization with 7 stops of compensation ensures smooth, blur-free shots even in low light or handheld conditions, enhancing versatility in any environment. Built for both photography and videography, the X-S20 introduces a vlog mode for product-focused shots, streaming, and background defocus. Equipped with a 3.5mm jack and USB-C 4K 60p streaming capability, it meets professional demands for live streams or high-quality video. Internally, it records 6.2K by 30p 10-bit video for ultra-crisp detail, making it ideal for content creators aiming for premium results. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II stands out as the ultimate streaming camera, blending top-tier quality with versatility for creators and professionals alike. At its core, the ZV-E10 Mark II sports a 26.0 megapixel APS-C sensor, producing sharp, detailed images with rich colors, perfect for high-definition content. It records in 4K at 60 frames per second, capturing every detail in ultra-smooth quality, a must for any live streaming setup. Sony has equipped this camera with advanced autofocus technology that includes real-time IAF for precise tracking of subjects, ensuring you stay in sharp focus. A 3-capsule microphone offers impressive directional audio quality, essential for clear communication with your audience. With a USB-C port and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, connecting to your streaming platform is simple and fast, providing reliable, low-latency broadcasting. The ZV-E10 Mark II's vari-angle touchscreen makes it easy to frame yourself perfectly from any angle, whether you're behind a desk or on the go. Its support for interchangeable lenses also lets you tailor the look of your streams, from wide-angle shots to close-ups, allowing for an elevated, studio-grade feel. With its powerful features, the ZV-E10 Mark II is a game-changer for content creators seeking professional-grade streaming in a portable, user-friendly package. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.